What's up, Minitruck? Look what we got. That's funny. I swear that didn't do that when I first got it. I'd make sure the posi works.
Nice.
Jeez, no problem. Trying to rip the steering wheel out of my hand. It's icy. Oh yeah, over that rock. Not yet. Let's see if we can make it up this still. Nope. Four-wheel drive, here we go. Oh, hell yeah. Ain't nothing, is it? You go, Minitruck. That's pretty steep. I like to disconnect that so that when I'm in low, it doesn't have to be in four-wheel drive. I like to have it so the lockers would come on at any time, too. Crawling. This is very rocky. Hope we make it up this one. It's gonna suck if we don't. No problem. I see Jeep tracks. Might have to be a Jeep recovery vehicle. Uh-oh, it looks like Chewy's stuck. Looks like I'm gonna have to go around. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna need them heavier springs in the front. My fat ass in this metal bumper. I thought you were going to want me to pull you out. Got my Jeep recovery vehicle here.
Yeah, right.
Uh-oh. Oh shit. I'll pull from behind. The whole tree's pulling over.
Yeah, I saw.
I'll hook up from behind just to hold it. Oh, this is some nasty shit.
You dumbass!
Good job.
Fuck me, right? I was like, I don't know, let me just try it.
That was good that it didn't roll all the way up though. I'm like, oh shit. Yeah. Did you see it? Dude.
Fail video.
I know. I ordered synthetic rope for this too. Fuck this steel shit anymore.
21st century.
It was only like 24 bucks with a fair lead thing. Yeah, once you get used to synthetic rope. Now I can use a little heat. Jeep recovery!
What's up?
I said Jeep recovery vehicle.
Oh my god, this thing's like a little monster.
With these tires, man, I made it right up that shit.
We've been following your trails and your freaking tread is just, it's sick.
This is some packy shit.
Yeah, man, it's slippery out here.
That stupid horn. They ain't gonna make it through here. They can't make it through there. Oh. Nope. Nope. He ain't gonna make it through there. Who knows? Maybe I'll do electric window conversion. Nah, because I'm gonna wanna maybe make so these doors pull off in the summer. Didn't get stuck, Minitruck. It's bigger than Samurai now. You guys are jealous. No more playing. I'll get back to you in a bit, Minitruck. Yep, the old CJ starts every time. No shoveling for this kid. So how does it do in the snow? Definitely 2 thumbs up. Thing's an animal. Absolute animal.